Are you dealing with neck or back pain, knee, shoulder, or other joint pain, nagging overuse injuries like tennis elbow or other chronic health conditions? Does it feel like your body just isn't keeping up with your life? Hi, I'm Dr. Tonia Burke. I'm a doctor of physical therapy from Thomas Jefferson University. I'm also an exercise physiologist, McKenzie Spine Specialist, Pilates instructor, and Integrative Nutrition Health Coach. From personal and clinical experience, I know how discouraging it can be when pain, stiffness, or fatigue limits your movement, whether it's from a spine issue, joint pain, arthritis, or chronic conditions. I take a whole person approach to care because your health is more than just a diagnosis. I've helped many people reduce pain, rebuild strength, and feel more confident in their bodies. Together, we'll create a personalized physical therapy plan that supports your goals and works with your life. Reach out today and let's take the next step toward feeling better inside and out.